up, guys? It is me, Mystic, and I'm here with Silverst. Her channel is Silverst. Oh no, XX Silverst.
Yeah, there's a car passing by.
XX. Oh.
We finally did it.
Oh, yo, we did it on the second vid. Guys, so we are in the same place and in the same day. What?
You should have let me record it because I could have got that on screen. Okay, but it's okay. It's just dark. But I'll
Someone
show you
actually exploded
the box. Someone actually exploded the box.
Yo, that was unexpected.
So, oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Do you know what happened to this one box?
Still juice.
There was still juice. Okay, it's pretty dark. Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Maybe this will help.
Can't see. Hold on.
Ready?
Stop.
Clean the line.
Oh my god.
So
Oh my
it
god.
exploded.
It splattered everywhere, guys.
Even
It
a
crushed
piece of
it.
like broke off.
It
In
really
the
broke
second
off.
video.
And it went in the air. For some
Really in the
reason.
air?
If you guys don't believe us, it's okay. You don't have to subscribe, but please just try to. I hope you like this video, so yeah.
Oh my god.
It actually went in the air, so yeah.
And it
Here's the
actually broke
juice
apart.
box. There's some juice right there. I don't know if you guys can see that,
We're stepping all over it.
but
A
there's
car
some
ran
juice
over
right there.
it, and the special
It
person,
ran over it, guys.
And the special person that did it will get a giveaway of a Chromebook and an iPhone
It's
7.
crushed,
And
guys.
an iPhone 7.
It's crushed.
JK, we ain't doing that. We ain't wasting our money. Sorry.
But we will give some giveaways.
And we
So
might make some posters.
to people who subscribe, and yeah.
So, to enter the giveaways, you must subscribe, like, and comment what was your favorite video of the orange juice exploding down below. Which is probably the second one.
Probably.
Probably the second one. The introducing one. No. Second one. Hands down. So we might make some posters and do some giveaways. So, yeah.
Do you have a flashlight?
No.
Get your mom's phone.
Wait, on my iPad.
You have a flashlight, so you can show some people.
What? We are not lying.
Because we are
Oh,
not
wow,
lying.
Lizzie. If you don't know who Lizzie is, it's okay.
Because we're
Lizzie-
just talking to someone.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Hold on. I don't have it. I have to get my mom's phone real quick.
If you are my classmates, hi.
And if you are my classmate, hello, people that I don't know.
So here are the classmates that I might give my YouTube channel to. Hi Elizabeth. Hi Anna. Hi random other people. So, yeah. Mystic, will you please get the flashlight? Thank
I said
you.
nothing, guys.
Okay. So guys, we're waiting for this car right now to pass by. So let's see if it will actually crush the juice box.
Okay, so now you can see a lot of stuff. So there is the car, and just come on.
So it
this is
actually
the orange box.
splattered. It splattered. Bruh. So yeah, it was
and here
crushed.
is some of it. I think that's splattered over here.
As you can see, that is the tire mark.
And when we were
don't know
kicking
if
it, there was still
Some-
splatter right here. Yes, we
There
were
was-
kicking it. We wanted to get the germs on our thing. Okay.
So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that.
So,
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time on our next vids.
bye.
Please subscribe down below. Yeah, thank you.